it doesn't do much good to have worked to open this all up to be getting solar down here when my solar panels are as filthy as they are. Wow. they're pretty nasty. I need to clean these. I am getting some solar, more solar than I've been getting the whole time I've been here. I've been working. We cut out a bunch of trees, made an opening. This is the first time there's been sunshine down in this area for a long, long time, probably a couple of decades. Look at that mess. And that's what's done it. We finally have some sky, and gonna be a sunny area. It's still kind of early in the morning. The sun's finally up high enough. It's down. Getting some solar for the first time ever. It'd be nice this ground to kind of dry out a little bit better too, and mow nice. And you know, things like sunshine to grow. Things will probably grow better, the grass. And yeah, there's this mess. That's gonna take me. That's gonna be next trip. Start getting that cleaned up and raked and looking better. Some of these trees, and I'm undecided. The probably get solar like an hour sooner if I took out these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trees. This little tree line, but they're kind of straight. I mean, that one has a knot in it. You know, they're pretty healthy, relatively straight trees. So I kind of hesitated because once you take them down, you can't put them back up, right? It's I'm thinking, well, maybe keep number 1 and number 4. Yeah, keep 2 nice healthy trees here, and other ones. There's some over there, a couple nice ones over there. They're nice and straight and healthy looking. So I want to keep some of the mature trees in here, and just gonna have this thinned out a bit. So I'm getting there. It's work, but when work day is done, been eating good. There's that. All right, doing a quick experiment. It's no wonder the filthy. Actually, the whole van is filthy. But the solar panels, I don't know when I've done them last. Just kind of one of them things I just forget about. So I gave them a quick cleaning. That looks a little better. I might go over them again with some paper towel and some Windex when or some kind of glass cleaner when I get back down to the garage. But that's way, way better. The experiment is, I'm gonna look and see how much I'm taking in now. I checked on my phone, my Renogy app, and it said I was getting, I think, 210 watts. Out of 400 I have up there, it was getting 210. And so I'm thinking surely that picked up. Let me get my phone over here somewhere. So from just cleaning them, now I'm got 272 watts as opposed to 210. So, well, anyway, that's better. Oops. So that's better. We're getting some decent solar. It's first time here ever for me. I think for anybody. I can't tell you how nice it is now getting solar after being here, 2 days. And, I've had to run the generator for a while each day because, I have the refrigerator, the freezer. I do watch some TV in the evenings, the roof vent running all the time. Anything else, my laptop and devices, my phone, tablet, or whatever, that kind of stuff that uses power. And when we were in complete shade, my battery gets depleted and I got to put some power back in it. So now we're good now. So nice, finally got some solar out here. Good, Bella. And I did make another pass down through here with the pole saw and my pruning shears, and it really cleared out the sides good. Russell will be able to get down through there without brushing the thing quite easily. There's a couple more there that's kind of a little bit close that I wanted to get, but the string broke on the pole saw. It's all dry rotted, been around a while. I have to put a new cord on it. I think when we got him up in there, I did some basic, just a little bit of trimming just to get him back here and parked. I mean, at worst, he may have brushed a little, a tiny little twig, maybe. I don't know if he may not have hit anything, but anyway, I wanted to go ahead and go through there and do a little better job at it, so I did that. Now there's a sight, huh? We got fire. We're gonna make some hot dogs. Well, not going to. We are making hot dogs. I'm gonna make chili dogs tonight with our leftover chili from 4 or 5 nights ago. It's a wonder there is any left over. But I've been saving it to have with to make chili dogs with. We've done this once before. Some of you remember what my version of chili dogs is like. It's a little kind of overloaded on the sloppy side. It'd be a challenge to actually pick them up and eat them. It's more of a fork, maybe a knife and fork sort of thing on a dinner plate. I don't know, maybe you could pick them up, but it's going to be messy. It's going to be messy if you do. All right, I'll probably intentionally burn these a little because that's just the way we like them. They're coming along, getting there. We cooked on the grill last night as well. We had cheeseburgers with, I don't know, pickles on them and stuff, and macaroni salad and some sliced up tomato. And we had plenty to eat. We shared a little bit with Bella as usual. And that'll probably happen again tonight. Huh. You gonna have some more? There's a fly flying around and she keeps trying to. She says, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get that bad bug. Huh? He says, I'll get that bug yet. Keeps flying around here bothering me. Get it. That's it. Cook them till they split wide open. I think those are done. We're gonna get them assembled. See what kind of mess we end up with. So here is how this is gonna go. All right. Of course, got to start and load them up with dogs. Right? And then next, the chili's almost hot. The dogs. I remember this homemade chili I made. It is so good. I was tempted to eat it, but I knew I wanted to make chili dogs, so I just didn't. I saved it. So today's the day. Yes, indeed. Ouch. Okay, look at that. Look at that chili. So I kind of put on more than I should, and so what if it goes over the sides? More is better. Almost always. Lots and lots of smothered. Okay. Lots and lots. All right. Ooh. All right. Look at that mess. Okay. Let's cheese them up, and then there'll be one more thing. Okay. How's that? Is that can be cheesy? Oopsie. Kind of a little carried away with the cheese, but not really. That's kind of perfect, right? Let me get out the other. That's that one. All right. Let's do that with. Oops. Let's do that with this one. Let's load them up good. Chili dogs with cheese. That's pretty good. All right, I'm gonna pop this in the microwave for a second. All right, it's kind of just enough to make the cheese kind of get melty. All right. I know the sun's not. Yeah, it's late in the day, so the sun's kind of not providing the best shot. So what I'm gonna do is, I think we're gonna have some leftover, the last of the macaroni salad too. So I'm gonna put, Russ and I both like onions, so put some onions on these. Okay, chili dogs with cheese and onions. And finish it up. That's all the macaroni salad I have left. Put a big blob on there. Russ has really liked it too. Keeps complimenting, oh, that's good, really good. So, yeah, it's pretty even. I'll even it all up here. Okay, and that's what is for dinner. My, oh my. I'll just stick a fork in it. It is done. Okay, there's our dinners. How's that look? Does that look like something you would eat? Let me say something in the comments. If it's yummy or not, or if you had to run out and buy fixins because now you're hungry for it. Okay, let me know. I always see that sort of thing in the comments. Oh, now I gotta have chili dogs or something. All right, we're gonna eat, and I don't think there's gonna be any dessert. I don't think there's gonna be any need for dessert. That looks pretty filling to me. All right, in the last video, my laptop was experiencing 2 issues. Let me see if I can knock this job out real quick. The other issue with the computer seemed to have cleared up since I reinstalled Windows Fresh. You know, after 5 years, it just ran pretty goofy. There's the new battery. It looks like it's the same one. So I'm going to pop that in real quick, and hopefully the only remaining issue is cleared up, and I can get on with a happy running laptop. It's out, and I'm going to pop that other one in. This one has read 0% for a long time. I don't know if this one comes, I would guess it probably comes up, has some charge to it. Hopefully I'll put this thing in and it'll turn on without actually having to plug it in. This has had to have been plugged in all the time to run, because that battery does nothing. So if it's not plugged in, the laptop doesn't run. Hopefully I pop that in and push the button, it comes on, and you know, this is already comes with a partial charge, and then being plugged in, it'll, you know, top off. It'll finish charging up. It's a function I would like to work again. Let me get this popped in and see what happens. I successfully put it in, and I guess it's the moment of truth. Let me get it up here and turn it on and see what happens. Well, here it goes. Let's see. It comes with at least a partial charge. Yep, there it is. The question is going to be whether it switches into charging mode once I plug it in. Okay, how much charge did it have? Let's find out here real quick. Okay. All right, there's a little battery icon. What's it say? Battery status says 63% remaining. Now, when I plug it in, it should say, it should go to like charge in estimated time, you know, that it is now, the battery is now charging, and how much longer till it completes charging. Does it switch over? Oh, or it'll say 63% available. It does recognize, it does say plugged in, so I'm guessing it's charging. I don't know. I think we're good. We're good. I'll give it a few minutes. If that bumps up to 64%, then 65, I know we're fixed. And like I say, since I reinstalled Windows, you know, the other issue of it being goofy, starting up and stuff, it seems to have went away. So that and the battery, we should be good. There, it went up to 64 already. So, all right, we're gonna call it fixed. We're gonna move on with things. Bella. It'll be time to go pretty soon. We will go for round, what's this gonna be, round 3 or round 4 up here next time, or round 5. We've been up here a handful of times now, I guess. And away we go. Oh yeah, plenty of clearance. The house is in good shape. That's too bad the mower. Too bad the mower wouldn't run. There we go, we okay. Alright, yeah, I would like to mow this too. Oops, get that seatbelt on, Dave. Okay, I'll see you, Russ. Russ is going east. Yeah, towards his part of the state. Visit some family friends and such for a bit. We'll probably join back up again later time like we usually do, and maybe get some little trip planned. I think we already started working on that a little bit. So got some ideas. So all right, we're gonna head back down to the garage. It is hot. We're in that heat wave. I left the one air conditioner on in the Coachman, the rear window one, so it'll be it stays reasonable while we're gone, and when we get back